Your phone rings while you're up a ladder. Answer it, lose 10 minutes. Miss it, maybe lose the job. ServiceM8 reckons its AI can answer for you. Let's pull it apart. It's called the Phone Agent, an AI receptionist that picks up your business line and talks to callers like a staff member. Comes named Cora. You can rename it and pick how it speaks, friendly or professional. What it does? Answers common questions. Takes messages straight into your ServiceM8 inbox. Texts callers your booking link, or submits the booking itself while they're on the line. Transfers urgent stuff to you. Screens out the spam calls. And every call is logged with a summary, transcript, and recording. 3 modes. Business hours. It answers and screens before your phone even rings. After hours. It covers the calls you'd sleep through. Voicemail. It replaces the beep with something that actually takes details. Run one or all 3. Now the catch, the price of entry. This is an add-on on an add-on. You need a paid ServiceM8 plan first, $29 minimum. Then ServiceM8 Phone, its own phone system with its own number. And the agent skips the cheap phone plan. It's Connect Plus at $49 a month or Unlimited at $199. So the cheapest AI receptionist here is $78 a month, GST in. Steep? Maybe. But if it saves you one decent job a month, it's paid for itself. That's the bet you're weighing. Fine print. Connect Plus caps you at 500 call minutes a month, then 8 cents a minute after that. If your phone runs hot all day, that's when Unlimited makes sense. Second catch, the brain. The agent only knows what you type into it. It won't read your website. It won't read your job history. Its FAQ list is its whole world. Leave that empty, and it answers like a laborer on day one. You're writing its brain and updating it every time your prices change. Setup comes in 2 flavors. Structured, pick a personality, load your FAQs, done. Or custom, where you script exactly how it handles bookings, price questions, or a 2 a.m. burst pipe. Best bit of the setup? The test call button. Each mode can ring your own phone, and you play the customer. Do the telemarketer act. Fake an emergency. Ask for Dave. Keep tuning it until it stops embarrassing you. Third catch, recording. Every call the agent answers gets recorded. There's no off switch for that. Recording laws in Australia differ state to state, so set the welcome message, calls are recorded, before it takes a single real call. And it's worth telling callers it's an AI, too. Practical bit. It's an internet phone system. The app is iPhone and iPad only, no Android phone app. Or you run it through Chrome on the desktop, and you can divert or port your existing number across. So who's it for? A solo operator or small crew dropping calls because you're on the tools all day. Start with after-hours mode, lowest risk, and it's where jobs actually go missing. If your work all comes by text and word of mouth, $78 a month is a receptionist you don't need. Verdict. The agent itself is the real deal by tradie software standards. It books work, filters junk, and logs everything. The catch isn't the tech. It's the stack of subscriptions you climb to reach it. There's a 14-day ServiceM8 trial, and phone is free for your first month. So test call it hard before it talks to a real customer. Full cost breakdown, plus the exact FAQ list I'd load into it in this week's newsletter, link below. One honest teardown every week. No hype, no sponsors. See you on the next one.